A lot of applicants and job seekers are complaining nowadays that they are submitting their CVs in a lot of companies and they are not receiving any call or even invitation for any interview. Do you know what's the reason for all of this? Watch this video. Making a CV is not an easy job at all, and the biggest evidence for this that a lot of companies today they are opening and their major business is to make CV for applicants and taking in front of this a little bit money. Because you have to be accurate and select the professional words to put it inside the CV to attract or to grab the attention of the recruiter or the HR. Making a CV is not an easy job at all. Especially, it will waste your time and it will waste your effort if you are not preparing or organizing what you want to put or write inside the CV. Because you have to select professional and attractive words or format in order to grab the attention of the HR or the recruiter. Sending your CV is like selling or promoting your skills or job experience, which I name it like a career biography. The more you present your skills and the more you present your attitude inside the CV, the more chances you can get in all of this. The biggest reason which making any HR not to select your CV is that your CV is not attractive or not presentable. Imagine with me today that this HR every day he's receiving like 100 CVs. Do you ask yourself one day or put yourself in the place of the HR why he has to select your CV in between all of these 1,000 CVs? For sure it should be elegant CV and well organized. That's why in this video I will teach you how to prepare your CV, how to prepare the skeleton of it, and how to get a professional format.
You are all I long for, all I worship and adore.
So guys, here is a quick comparison between my CV and other one CV. And it's very obvious, guys, the difference between the two resumes. And for sure the left resume is doing on Microsoft Word and my CV is doing on Photoshop. That's why I'm telling you as much as you can. If you can use or if you can learn the Photoshop, it would be more beneficial for you to construct your CV. So let's go through the topic specifically and technically. That let's compare between them, which is good, which is bad, and everything. So if you go personal statement, for sure, the biggest mistake which he do it in his CV is that he's not putting a picture for himself. This is the first mistake. You have to put a picture because trust me, the appeal of the person for the interviewer, it's playing a lot to be accepted or not. And the personal statement is the summary. So we agreed, me and him are making the same point. So the difference between us till now is the photo. He has to add a photo. Key skills is okay here, but it's very early. يعني interviewer after your summary, he should see what you want to send to him as a message from your CV. What is the summary of your work experience? What's your ambition? That for example in core qualification, this one, that I want to be like a manager after 5 years and I'm seeking to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. This what he has to listen from you. You should give him like what is the need or what's your aim or what's your goal after like 5 years or your career biography. So this is the first one. So it's very early here to put the key skills. And he's putting only key skills like this, but he's putting mixed with the soft skills, mixed with technical skills. This is not good. You have to separate between the software skills or the technical skills and the soft skills normally. This is the first thing. Secondly, he's putting the experience. It's okay, so we agree about the experience. As you see here, you have to put your name, a photo, your position, every contact which you have, core qualification, which is referring for what you need in the future, and a professional summary, and your work experience, soft skills, language, and certificates, and that's it. But he's only putting this, which is a little bit, I see it boring. So guys, we have two ways to create a professional CV. The first way, and this way especially for the people who cannot work on Photoshop, that you can, there's a different websites, you can choose any template for your resume, and you can fill your information inside this online. I will show you how. We will browse on Zeri, this one. This website is specialized in proposing to you different templates. You can choose one of them online and you can fill all of your information inside it. For example, I will go this create a new resume. This is the website Zeti, and it's showing to you one of the templates here. Okay, it's giving you a ready template, just what you need to fill your information inside it. That's it. Okay, so it will start with heading, which is this area, and work history, this one, education, this one, skills, summary, and finalize will be in this area. Okay, so this is, you will go step by step to it. This is the first one. The second one, that I can open the Photoshop and I can work manually creating my CV on the Photoshop. And if you ask me what I prefer already, I prefer to work on Photoshop if you can, because it's more professional and you can create whatever you want. But if you're going through a website like Zeti, it's a fixed only format, you cannot play in it. You're just filling an information. But here in Photoshop, you are filling a shapes and you are filling a lot of criteria. So what you will do here, you will press this, the Photoshop window. This is my previous work, by the way. And then I will press create new. And then I will choose A4, because if you print it later as a hard copy to present it to any company, it will be A4 sheet. So I will press create. First thing, it will come to me like this. What I will do quickly, I will open this, double click here, and then I will create a new layer. And then I will bring this one here and I will grab a big window like this here. Exactly. Okay. And I will choose one color for this. Let's say that I will choose dark gray and I will press Alt backspace. It will come to me like this. Okay. Then I will bring my photo from outside. Let's say make your photo JPG. And then I will put my photo here, but we forgot something. We have to create a new layer firstly, and then bring your photo and then insert it inside. Let's say it will be like this, and I will minimize it. Okay, let's select this. Okay, this one, we grab it down a little bit, and then click, and we bring our photo up like this. Try not to make your photo on the edge exactly, because at the printing maybe it will make for you some problems. So this is accurate size for my photo, and I will go back to the previous layer and I will grab it down a little bit, and this will be inside here a little bit. So if you see this pink color, this pink color is showing to you that it's appropriate. Okay, exactly. So this is done. Also, I will create a new layer quickly, and I will make a big one here. Okay, let's say it will be here, and I will make like a lighter color a little bit. Let's say it will be this one, and Alt backspace again, it will give me this color. Plus I will make a new layer again. Let's say I want to make a triangle, something like this. Okay, so what I will do, I want to make this one is dark blue. Alt backspace and Control D and Control T again, and I can with, yeah, exactly, it will be like this. Okay, so what I will bring it here, and then a new layer again, and I will make like a ruler shape. Okay, no, I need to make it more, yeah, like this, and I will fill it like, let's say it will be very dark blue, something like this. Alt backspace and then Control D, I will grab it here, and I will grab it down a little bit, exactly like this, and exactly like this. Okay, so I will grab it up like this. Okay, and let's bring it here aside a little bit. And this one I will make it here. Let's say put this down this. Okay, so this one will be here up. Okay, Control J, take another one, and Control J, take another one, so it will be like this. Okay, now we have to fill. The first thing that I have to fill my name. Let's say Ahmed Hassan. Choose any font and you will make it like this, and make it, let's say 20, the font, to be observable, and we'll make it white and move it here, and down we will say, let's say project, or no need, let's say engineer. That's it, but we have to minimize the font. Let's make it, no, 10 is less, let's make it 13. We will move it like this. Okay guys, okay. Secondly, and the most important, your CV is consisting of 4 steps. The first one is summary, like this, and let's make it like 20, or not 20, let's make it 30, like this. Let's bring it here. And the third one will be the core qualification. Control J, core qualification. Okay, and here your, let's say your work experience. Let's grab it here. Okay, so here you have to put a paragraph, and here you will want to your work experience. Here we'll put soft skills, like this one. Okay, and we'll make it white and minimize the font a little bit to 20, and we can make it also, yeah, underlined. Okay, very good. So we can make it like this, and Control J again, and we can take here, let's say here it will be courses or certificates, whatever you want. So you grab it here. Okay guys, and this is my CV. This is the format of my CV. I think guys, like this you make the outline of the CV, or even the format, and this is the most important for you, and then later you can prepare on a sketch outside what you want to put inside your CV. But please guys, try to choose professional and select your words accurately.
So we reached to the end of the video guys. I hope you like it and enjoyed, and please, if you have any inquiries, don't hesitate to write a comment below. And please guys, don't forget to press subscribe, like and share, and press the bell button in order to receive the latest updated videos from my channel. See you guys in the next episode.